Hi peeps, this is your continuous learning overview for May 4th through 8th. I hope you had a really great weekend and are ready to dive in. So here we go. You are going to find on your World History Schoology page, which I'm sure you've already found since you found this, two things, continuous learning and previous units. You're going to that page. If you did not finish the work from last week, you're going to find that in previous units. And you're going to see also on your calendar, World History, 3 Isms, and the Shang Dynasty. Actually, it's the Qin Dynasty, but anyway, May 4th, okay? If you want to hear this live, tune in from 2:15 to 2:45 Monday. This is the same information I'm going over right now, okay? Goals for the week. You're going to be looking at middle school success, habit number 2. Optional review of last week's content of Chinese geography and the Shang Dynasty. Today, you're going to be looking at the 3 isms of China and the first emperor of China. So this is what success habits looks like. Miss Laird did this, and I want you to be aware that this is one of those things that's really going to help you on online learning, is getting these habits down to be successful. All right? Second, you are going to move to the 3 isms of China. You're going to find some of these you are very familiar with. Legalism, Confucianism, and Taoism. I think if you look, you will see that Taoism you know a lot about. Anyway, there's 2 choices here. You can either read the chapter or you can watch the videos. There are also extended learning lessons at the end. Your culminating response to this is the 3 isms response, and that will be assessed. Second, for this week, you are going to be looking at the first emperor of China. And this is the guy who did the Terracotta Warriors, so I hope you're going to look at this closely. Again, there's more videos at the end for you to look for. Extending learning, there's stuff about the Terracotta Warriors. You can click on this link and go through some of the tombs. And I want you to remember we're all in this together, and if you have any questions, let me know.